So I forgot to, every time I record, I always forget to say the title. But what's up, YouTube? Well, do my intro. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on today. Today, we are doing phone swap Valentine's Day edition. I'm recording this like 3 days after Valentine's Day because I noticed I didn't make an intro. So here's the intro. But yeah, this video is really good to me. I feel like if more people would have been in it, it would have been better. But not enough with all the chatting. Let's get in the video. Oops. So right now we waiting for the girl to come. So let's see what this is about. The boy really,
Man, I'll do it, cause I'll switch the phone. It would up.
We trying to switch phones. You don't want to do it? Do you think she being loyal or no?
Ain't no telling.
How you feeling right now?
She probably cheating the whole time.
Have you ever been through her phone before?
Yeah.
Was she cheating?
She was talking to other people.
She was talking to other niggas while talking to you?
Yeah.
And how that make you feel?
I mean, it was a little minute ago, but I mean, like, damn, you gonna do me like that? You get me? Oh God, you can go through this bit right now.
So, okay, let's go to her real quick. Let's go to her. Oh wait, I don't care.
You come over here to hug. Get my phone.
He said he'll let you. They're not going for it. Another.
She said she'll avoid that. Another
L.
L.
On to the next one.
I feel like they
Thumbnail. Head ass. We got it, y'all. After a whole bunch of tries, we got it. Go back. Finally got it.
Let me see it.
Okay, wait. We're gonna have a timer.
One phone at a time.
Oh my God. Okay. Lima, you got the timer?
Let's see dripping the fuck out that big.
We gonna go.
Go peek, nigga.
Wait. We got it. Wait. Okay, wait. First, we gotta restart. It. Wait, you restarted it? What's your name?
Jordan.
What's your name?
Kina.
How long have y'all been talking to each other or dating?
For about 2.5 years.
2.5 months? That's right, 2.5 months? How much do y'all trust each other? 1 through 10?
0.
You don't trust her?
No.
How much do you trust him, 1 to 10?
I don't know.
So do you mind swapping phones?
Whatever with me.
You're down with swapping phones? Okay, let's start off with your phone first. We got 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go through.
30 seconds. Timer right here.
You guys can go through Instagram and iMessage.
Go.
Ain't got nobody in this shit. It ain't nobody but my mama at home.
Alright, let's go to Instagram.
Go general.
You can look up whatever you want to.
Oh, that's old. You don't see anybody that you want to look through? No boys? It don't matter. Oh, timer up.
Now you look like she's stressing over there.
Alright,
What's going on?
Where's your
What's going on?
We're going to go through the girl phone next. 30 second timer, go.
Let go. Hold on.
Oh, he going through deleted.
Oh,
Got to.
he is not playing. Not playing.
Ready for it.
Oh, wait, I don't want nobody's numbers on that bitch.
Oh, we going to, I can blur it out.
Yeah, I'm going to say edit that shit out. Instagram. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Oh, hold on.
That's time.
Time.
That's time. That's time. That's time.
Wait.
Let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Did you see anything? Did you say anything in there that you didn't like?
Yes.
What did you see?
I seen her.
Exactly.
It ain't old.
Oh my God, this is that fucking face because he
We
won't
got
start.
people that's watching y'all. Y'all gotta chill.
Okay.
It was last week.
Sorry, y'all. What did you see?
It was last week.
What did you see?
I just seen she was talking to the girl that, you know, she used to talk to. But that cool though. I ain't tripping.
Girl.
Yeah.
She like girl.
Yeah, she like girls.
She like girls and niggas.
So
What you saw though? What caught your eye?
I was trying to go through them, but she quit to took them bitches. So that means she definitely still talk to the girl, probably.
So how you feel? How you feel about this?
I ain't really tripping though, you know.
Hey, the real question is, would you still fuck?
Yeah.
Still hit?
Yeah.
Yeah, my nigga.
Oh my God.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
The next couple.
Yeah.
I don't care. Yeah, I do know. Okay, I'm here with
Jaden.
Chantel. How long y'all been dating for?
Shit, 11 months.
Yeah, 11 months. On a scale of 1 through 10, how much do y'all trust each other? A 10.
You said what?
On a scale of 1 through 10, how much do y'all trust each other?
Shit, about a 9.
Okay, y'all mind swatching flopping phones? Yeah. Okay. I need a timer. Give me a phone.
Alright, hold on.
We're gonna go one at a time though. You ready?
Yeah.
3. Oh, the only abs.
First.
Don't. They already did.
One at a time.
They already did. Yes, we're not going both at the same time. The only apps you can go through is Instagram and iMessage.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, you ready?
Alright, y'all gonna do it
3,
at the same time?
3, 2. Wait, whose phone is this? Yours? Okay, 3.
Alright, 3.
We're gonna go to her first. 3, 2, 1.
I mean, you can click through and open them up. You want to read them.
Fuck, you scroll all the way to the bottom. It is cash out. Okay. This ain't nothing. Oh, that ain't shit. Damn, this ain't
I'll
shit.
go to Instagram.
I'll go through that Instagram. Somebody can go through the spam, go through all that.
He ain't got no spam account.
Who that is?
That's my dog.
Oh.
Where all the bitches at?
Tell me where all the bitches at. Timer up. Okay, let's go through Chantel's phone.
You got the same.
You got my Instagram.
Okay, so you ready? Oh, well, we just go through it still.
Yeah.
You ready?
Alright, you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
You broke it. How many minutes on timer? Seconds on timer?
You got 9 seconds.
9
You better go to
seconds.
Instagram.
He already got her password, I think.
I already got her.
So you ready to be going through it?
Go to my spam account.
You want to go through the spam? Time up, twin.
No. Hey,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so this was a success?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 months.
5 months.
Do y'all trust each other?
Yes.
Yeah.
On the scale of 1 to 10, how much do y'all trust each other?
100.
What she said?
I said 100.
10. We go through each other's phone all the time.
Oh, y'all go through each other's phones already?
He is constant.
So, y'all,
Girl, I'm on your phone. You're on my phone too.
so like, y'all willing to switch phones right now?
Get that out.
Yeah.
All right. So the only apps I go through is Instagram and iMessage. So wait, we gonna do this is phone.
My phone. Oh wait.
All right, so hand it to him.
We're going to do one at
We're gonna do one at a time. We're gonna do her phone first. You only got 30 seconds to go through both apps.
Wait, don't start yet. Till the timer.
Don't start yet. Ready? 2, 1, go.
Boy.
That's the math.
Okay.
Seen all this already. It
You
don't
seen
matter.
all this?
Yeah.
She got a spam?
Yeah.
You can go through the spam. You better scroll.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
You text my cat.
4, 3, 2.
I already seen all this.
Oh, he's seen all that. All right. Now, your phone. Oh, go through his phone.
Ready?
I'm going to sit down for this. Let's go.
Let's do
3,
this.
2, 1, go.
Okay.
Roll.
Okay. I don't see nothing out of the usual. Oh, that's a man. That's a man. That's a man.
That's
We're
good.
good. We're good. When I saw England, okay, that don't look nothing bad. Okay, let's.
He got a spam?
14.
You got us now.
10 seconds left.
I don't see nothing.
Who Chloe is?
Yeah, who's Chloe?
Just click on it.
Click on it. You can go through it.
Oh, period. Oh.
Oh, timer up. Timer up. Can't go through it no more. Can't go through it no more.
No, that was in September. That was before we were dating.
So,
Oh, on the scale of 1 to, like, how much do y'all trust each other now?
still 100.
10. I'm gonna check it tomorrow.
Y'all, another dub in the chat, y'all. I'm here with
Angel.
Zach.
How long have y'all been dating for?
Since last week.
Yeah, like last week.
And so far, and so far, how much do y'all trust each other?
A lot.
A lot.
Scale 1 to 10, how much do y'all trust each other?
I like a 9.
20.
20 out of 10.
I'm not gonna lie, I got
Yeah.
trust issues. I say a 9.
So, are y'all willing to go through each other's phones?
Yeah.
Okay.
See,
We
they
need
gonna do it
timer.
at the same time. No, we gonna let do it at the same time.
We're gonna let y'all do it at the same time.
Set, go.
Ain't shit in here.
Yeah, there's not
Everybody
shit
do
here.
Instagram
There's
too.
not shit here.
Only thing in here is from before. Like this shit.
Y'all got recently deleted messages or no?
Y'all got Instagram?
Yeah.
Y'all can go through Instagram.
Twin, sister, ex.
Nothing really.
That has
What about
24
yours?
days
I'm
left.
sorry.
Is this on?
Oh, what about his? Oh, nothing. Oh, period.
It's not there.
It's looking good so far. Look good so far.
My phone is hitting this phone.
Yeah.
And I got 3 accounts. You can go through all of them.
Oh, he can go through all of them.
Yeah. I got 4 actually.
I have
4 accounts.
I have
Oh,
two.
y'all can go
Ain't
through both.
shit in
Y'all
none of
just
my
spend time
accounts.
at the- guys.
Fuck a Trojan. Fuck a Trojan. Cause what the fuck is that?
On my soul.
I'ma stand on it. Fuck is a Trojan.
Okay, tell him again.
And this
Right.
shit from like 18 weeks ago. That's talking about some weird bitch. Other spam page.
Hold up. One second.
Look. That's all I got now. This is an account for my parents.
Yep.
Not the parents account. I understand.
And
Look,
this one is.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
This is just like my spam.
Your spam account.
Yep. And this one I just have because why
Why
not?
not?
Look, this one won't
It's
even
not
load.
there. Yeah. It's not.
Okay, so really, it's little y'all clean, little loyal.
We love y'all. We love couples like
I hope y'all relationship go well. And you stop recording? Oh, another dub for the chat. I think it's about like the 5th or 4th one.
I think
So,
that's a couple over here.
Okay.